You are the love of my life. I knew it right from the start. The moment I looked at you, you found a place in my heart.
You are the love of my life. You give me reason to live. You taught me how to be strong. With you is where I belong. No one's ever touched me quite the way you touched me. People search a lifetime to find what we have. You are the love of my life, one thing that's good in this life.